really discover an oncogene. The oncogene we already knew about. So this goes back to the original discovery of a tumor virus by Peyton Rouse in around 1910. And that virus was ignored for many decades. And finally, in 1970, it was discovered that this virus actually had a single gene that was capable of inducing tumors. So then the question became, how does it work? And that's another story. And where did it come from? Because the virus doesn't need this gene. It's irrelevant to the virus' ability to replicate. So my colleague Harold Varmus and I set about to figure out why this virus had such a gene and where it came from. And the answer was stunning. The gene had been acquired from normal cells. It was essentially a form of molecular piracy. It was an accident, a biological accident. And in the process of being transferred from the normal cell to the virus, or at some time thereafter, the gene had incurred a mutation, a change in its coding, so that the function that it specifies was now tumorigenic. And that discovery was considered exceptionally important because it was the first demonstration that there were seeds of cancer in our own genomes, and it was the first demonstration, really, that a particular normal gene could be mutated or changed in such a way as to become a cancer gene. Well, don't begin by trying to win the Nobel Prize. The title of the book was facetious, it was tongue-in-cheek. My wife hates it to this day. My advice to young scientists is to choose a big problem that interests you, a new problem, follow your nose, stay out of the mainstream if you possibly can, and do something different and big.